feel a little drunk. Let's speed up the drums and create dirty funk. And DJ is spinning it, the whole club's digging it, digging my dirty funk, I'm singing it. One for the women holding VK, one for the fella who felt he had to pay. I say, I'm feeling it, feeling the dirty funky stuff that we're dealing with. Well, I hope you brought your game shoes, cause this dirty funk's what we're gonna have a rave to. Cause it's dirty funk, it's a band away, and we turn up the drums and have a little rave. When the night turns into today, the funk don't stop, it just moves away to another place, and they rave, they rave to dirty funk. Whoa, picture this, a whole club rocking it, Friday night and the beats aren't stopping it. Actually Saturday we don't clock it, we're too busy having a rave or head popping it. One for the women sipping gin and tonics. I thought I was on it, but this girl had a boyfriend. He came over like, bruv, that's my girlfriend. I was like, alright mister, pipe down, pipe down. There's no need to go and have a fight now, or maybe later, cause right now it's a dirty funk, it's a band away, and we turn up the drums and have a little rave. When the night turns into today, the funk don't stop, it just moves away. Dirty funk. Got to go dance, cause that's what my heart says. Rave it up, dirty funk in the mix. Pull out my dance moves and other dirty tricks. Cause I know you'll be raving it up, yeah. I know you'll be loving the funk. I'll jump the beat, slam down the guitars. Everybody point to the stars, cause it's dirty funk, it's a band away, and we turn up the drums and have a little rave. When the night turns into today, the funk don't stop, it just moves away. Got it.